Praise be Jesus and Mary. Rabbi, the one who was with you across the Jordan, to whom you testified, here he is baptizing, and everyone is coming to him. Brothers and sisters, in our gospel today, we see that the disciple of John taught that Jesus and his disciples were doing something against what John is doing. And yet, St. John the Baptist realized and understand very well his mission. And his mission is to prepare for the Lord. It is very beautiful what he said at the end of the gospel today. He must increase, I must decrease. What great humility St. John has for us. He gave us this beautiful example. And not only that, those disciples or those persons, they try, we can say, ito yung mga tinatawag na parang marites, mga chismosa, o chismoso, na gustong bigyan ng malisya o pangit na connotation yung ginagawa ni Lord. Akala nila, masisiraan nila si Lord kay St. John, and they try to say, para bang sinasabi nila, St. John, di ba dapat ikaw lang magbaptize? Bakit nagbabaptize yun? Diba? And how this kind of attitude and character, sad to say, is even in the church or inside the church. Mga tao na instead of really supporting the person, try to make chismis and try to make things to downgrade the person. Sasabihin, lalo na sa mga parokya, ay naku, tignan mo yan si Father, ganito, ganyan, buti pa si Father noon, si Father ni ganyan, see? And they try, instead of supporting the person, they, sad to say, sisiraan pa, sisiraan pa nila yung tao. Wala na nga, sabi nga ng isang brother, wala na nga ginagawa, wala na nga ginigibo, o kung may ginigibo man, puro palpak pa, naninira pa, naiinggit pa, they create division, gumagawa sila ng pagkakahiwa-hiwalay in the community or in the parish, in the group. May mga taong ganyan. Wala na nga masyadong ginagawa o mali-mali pa yung ginagawa, sisiraan pa yung mga taong gumagawa ng mabuti. Sisiraan pa yung mga taong sumusuporta doon sa taong kanilang hindi gusto. Nakakalungkot. And hopefully, in this year 2022, sabi nga, bagong taon ay magbagong buhay. Hoy, magbagong buhay na po kayo. Be changed, be converted. Kasi po, pag hindi kayo nagbago, God will be the one who will take you out from that position, from that place. Kaya nga po, we are being warned in our gospel today. Dalawa yung ating example. The example of St. John and the example of these disciples. Si St. John, who humbled himself, who support Jesus, no? And said, no, he must increase and I must decrease. I will support him. And yun namang pangalawang example na dapat nating iwanan, iwaksi, no? At baguhin, no? Ngayong year 2022 ay yung ugali nitong mga disciple ni Saint John. Yung mga inggitera, yung mga chismosa, yung mga marites, na mga tamponera. Alam niyo, no? Yung mga tampurorotski, mga ganyan, no? So mag-ingat po tayo, no? And let us avoid this kind of attitude, no? Na meron tayong sinusuportahan, no? At the same time, no, we do not support the person who is in there, no? Sabihin pa, ay pag wala na si Father, saka ako pupunta dyan. Ay, pag naibalik na si Father dyan, saka ako pupunta. No? Saka ako mag-serve sa parish, saka ako mag-ano. No? Ang tanong, mga tugang, mga kapanalig, sino bang pinaglilingkuran mo? Who is you serving? Are you serving God? Or are you serving a person? Minsan, no, dito pumapasok yung demonyo, si taning. Minsan akala mo, no, maganda yung ginagawa mo, but no, at the end, no, the devil is creating attachment to a person, and your service becomes not anymore for God, but a service to a person. No? And you become not anymore Christian in heart. Hindi ka na po Kristiyano sa puso. No? You betray already your vocation as a Christian because you're not anymore serving God. You're already serving a person. You become attached to that person or to that place or to that priest or to that brother or to that sister. No? Marami pong ganyan. So nawa, iwasan po natin itong mga to. And let us examine ourselves this new year. Am I serving God or am I serving a person? And let us ask Saint John the Baptist and our Blessed Mother and Saint Maximilian. No? Today we are celebrating his anniversary of birth to help us to be humble, no? And to support whatever person is there in the parish, in the community, in the group. No? Let us support it. Let us give our talents and help to the glory of God, not to the glory of self. Yun ang problema, no? Hindi ad maiorem Dei gloriam, kundi ad maiorem Dei ipse. Ipse yata yun, no? Sa Latin, o itself, no? To the glory of myself. No. We should really serve for the glory of God. Praise be Jesus and Mary. Ave Maria. If you like this video, subscribe and share. Ave Maria.